video as always. So we're going to make a delicious chicken wings. Yeah, so we are going to make a chicken wings today, and what we're going to do is fry them, right? So we're going to fry a chicken wings today. So first thing is our ingredients: black pepper, a lot of black pepper. Nice, perfect. I have garlic powder, have basil, delicious. And I'm so excited to make this, guys. It's been a while since I made a chicken wings, fried chicken wings. Parsley, delicious, delish. And then I'm gonna add ancho chili. Okay, just put a little moderation. A little cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a little hot, so you have to be gentle and be generous on this. Not much, okay guys? So just a little kick in color and flavor, that would be it. Okay, so I already added our herbs. And the next thing that I'm going to add is our glutinous. This is one of the secrets when I fry a chicken wings. This is a glutinous rice flour. Okay, just add them just like that. I think that would be great. Okay, and then the next thing is our wonderful egg. Okay, and you will probably wondering, what, you're gonna add egg on your chicken wings? Guys, eggs adds the flavor, and at the same time it helps also for our flour, our rice flour, to stick to the chicken. That's one of the reasons that I use egg. And it's like I said, this is really flavorful. When I first used egg with my chicken wings, I was amazed. So what I'm going to do is just add one egg, just like that. Just crack it straight. And then I have the gloves. Nice and beautiful. Make sure that every chicken wings is coated. Nice. And actually guys, the egg also, it gives a lot of texture for your fried chicken, especially for your chicken wings. And this is one of my favorite parts of chicken wings. Any kind of chicken wings, any way of cooking, guys, give me some chicken wings, I'll be good. Okay, I already mix it up. And if you notice that, see, the flour just stick pretty well to our chicken wings. Nice and beautiful. And I think every part of it is already coated. And then afterwards, since we have them coated everything, nice, beautiful. Okay, so I think that's already coated everything. And then the next thing that we're going to use is breadcrumbs. So we're going to this is a Parmesan breadcrumbs. So that's why if you notice, I didn't use any salt or anything, because breadcrumbs is already flavor in it. So what I'm going to do is just add your breadcrumbs. Okay, just like so. Mix it up first. See that? And the breadcrumbs will give a lot of body and the crunch to your chicken wings. See? And you can tell the difference now, guys, of our chicken wings. See, right here. See the texture? Once you fry them, delicious. Okay. Nice, beautiful. And I will add a little bit more. Okay. Perfectious. Nice. Okay, so actually this is ready to fry now, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is just heat up our pan and we are going to fry them. Beautiful chicken wings. See how nice and beautiful that is, guys. Okay, guys, we're start frying our beautiful chicken wings. Chicken wings. Yeah, I think this is happening. Okay. Oh yeah. Hear that sizzling, guys. Beautiful. I'm so excited with our chicken wings. Look at that. And we will just fry them, guys, for a minute each side. And then, after that, I'm gonna show you the finished product. So this is our beautiful chicken wings. Yes, ma'am. Look at the texture right there. See the crunchiness? Oh, yeah. Right there. Yeah. And look at that. Juicy. Who doesn't like chicken wings, guys? I'm so excited. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And I hope that you like this recipe. And if you have comments or suggestions, just leave your comments down below. And please, guys, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you later, guys. And don't forget, guys, to click the notification bell. Yes, ma'am. So you will be updated every time I upload a video. And I hope, guys, that you like my recipe today. And this is delicious. Try this at home. Yummy, simple. Yes, ma'am. See you later, guys. Bye.